Hello guys, this is day 24 and today I went to office and I back home I think 1 hour ago, and right now it's raining here and it's evening time, almost 7:30 or 8, and I show you the environment. So you can see it's in a camera like there's a light, but originally there's no light, and you can see the flash also. So we have a thunderstorm warning by the government, and so in morning time I haven't got a time to make video, but yeah, now I am making a video. I'm starting my day. So welcome back. चलते हैं सीधा कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन की तरफ एंड सीखते हैं. इट्स अ डे 3 ऑफ माय 7 डे चैलेंज. तो चलते हैं कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन की तरफ. ओके भाई, गेट बंद करना पड़ेगा, अदरवाइज मच्छर घुस जाएंगे घर में बहुत सारे. चलो कुंडी बाद में आके लगा देते हैं. So here is my laptop because in room the kids are playing. Okay guys, so I quickly cover the day 2, like what is my progress. So you can see it's okay. कहाँ गया day 2? Yeah. So this is the day 2 challenge and I have done this much work. So here is the chat GPT result. So my preposition is right, but when I make my own sentences, so you can see like I make a total 15 sentences में I make 1 2 3 4 sentences were wrong, but it's a good progress, I know. And there was a task to I need to watch. Okay, I'll show you the task first. So if you see now, कहाँ गया? Okay, so you can see like I have to listen 2-minute video from the BBC English Learning or maybe Mr. Steve ki video, and I found 3 phase on this. Like first one is use a bridge, take the first step, take your time. Okay, so overall feedback is good. चैट जीपीटी सबको अच्छा ही बोलता है, वैसे बुरा तो बोलता नहीं है. एंड नाउ दिस इज द डे 3 चैलेंज एंड आई हैव completed this also. So you can see like I have to be use the B form like is MR, sorry, yeah, IMR and is MR, and you can see the my output here. So I make a few sentence. So let's see the output here. So the perfect, like filling the blanks always went good, like there is no correction, but in sentences which I made, which I made, so you can see like one correction there. So overall it's a good achievement. So in 9 sentences I make only one mistake, so it's good, although like they are very simple sentences, but yeah, still. But in a like there is a vocabulary, today's vocabulary is journey, so I use journey word like in a 5 sentences. So you can see like there is a correction in 2, and there is a like a small feedback like I use incorrect gentleman. So gentleman is a one word, so it's a new learning for me. और एक मिस्टेक क्या थी, सी इज नॉट लाइकिंग मी, बट उसका सही में क्या होगा, सी डजेंट लाइक मी, क्योंकि सी के साथ वो आता है ना, सी ही इट के साथ डज आता है. या नो जर्नी कंप्लीट, सो इट्स है नो जर्नी इज कंप्लीट. So these are the few mistakes which I make, and now again. So you can see the progress of day 2 and day 3, and like there is a one small task also, so which I have to speak on a which topic. Let me quickly see. Yeah, I have to speak on a 1 minute to use is MR. So let me try that also. So start. Okay. Hello, my name is GS, and I am preparing for, or I am trying to learn, or I am trying to working on my communication skills, and this is a very interesting challenge, or at the same time this is a very fun also, because like I am using, see, use of am, I am using the chat gpt for my day-to-day plan. And really guys, if you also use the chat gpt for your planning, for your learning, definitely it would help you. ओके, सो अभी आर का प्रयोग रह गया है. सो चैट जीपीटी, in chat gpt there are couple of options which you can use. Like particularly I use two option majorly, like with the text chat and the voice chat. So voice chat is also very awesome, you can try that. You can conversation with chat gpt in a real time, and it gives you the best and the real person like a answer. So I think that's it. Now I think we can end our day today. So we'll see you tomorrow with the day 4 challenge, and tomorrow will be the day 25th. So bye bye for now. Bye bye. Bye bye.